And back with us today is Stuart Spencer of Advanced Ear Care. Always great to have you. Happy New Year.
Thank you, Ken. Happy New Year to you.
Yeah, it's wonderful to have you here today. And there's a few things that we're going to talk about, but one of the first ones is with a product called Livio AI, and you're going to tell us about this. I know you've touched on it before, and it's with a Starkey, right?
That's right. So this is an amazing product. You know, hearing aids for so long have just been about helping people to hear better. You know,
Yeah.
and of course, you know, that's the obvious.
Yeah.
You know, today, you know, with the, Starkey's come out with the first hearing aid that has artificial intelligence in it, which means it can do a lot more than just help people to hear better.
Yeah.
The hearing clarity within itself is amazing. You know, I'm wearing them, you know, right now, and I mean, just the transparency of hearing is just so beautiful and clear. I don't even know I'm wearing the hearing aids.
Wow.
So, you know, that's number one, right?
Yeah.
You know, people always want to hear better, you know. But in addition to that, you know, every year, you know, every 11 seconds, I should say, you know, there is an adult in an emergency room for a fall, right?
Right.
And getting cared for, 12 million people a year. So the new Livio hearing technologies will detect when they fall.
Wow.
And send out a phone message or a text message to their pre-designated contacts so they can identify where they're at and try to get in communication with them. If they can't, it geotags where the person's at and sends the first alert help. Is that amazing?
That's amazing.
So no more life alert around your neck. You know, you can just
yeah.
wear your hearing aids and it'll take care of the issue for you. So that's kind of a fun one. The other thing that's coming into really a different dynamic altogether is monitoring your heart rate. So the hearing aid can monitor your heart rate. You know, how many people have heart issues, right?
Yeah.
Quite a few, you know, so they always want to make sure, your doctor always wants to make sure where that information is at and what's going on, let alone the person themselves can now see exactly what's going on with their heart rate. And just, you know, in general, people with fitness, you know, I mean, I know when I'm working on a treadmill, you know, a lot of times I wear, you know, the little band around my chest to get my heart rate so I can keep it a certain level, to know I'm maximizing the output, the effectiveness of the workout. So this measures your steps, how many steps you take a day. It'll measure your heart rate, which will be very important information for your medical doctors. And then in addition to that, you tap the hearing aid and you can connect to your Google Assistant and ask it any question you want to. Is that amazing?
Yeah, that is amazing.
So you can say, hey, what's in the forecast for today, you know, for the weather? And
wait, that's what I'm for.
Yeah. Hey, what's Ken doing today?
Yeah.
So, I mean, this is just taking it to a whole different level.
Yeah.
And really, you know, people think, oh, well, you know, I may or may not use those. You know what? People are going to start using them a lot more because they're so functional and so effective, and they'll become an interactive part of people's lives. And we're really excited to be on the cutting edge of that and be able to offer that to our hearing aid wearers.
That's amazing where the technology is going. And, well, you know, what's really neat about this is, and I think when you mentioned this once before, I said I can see a time when people will wear this type of device even if they don't need the hearing part of it.
That's exactly where it's going, Ken.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, it'll be a device that helps people, you know, instead of looking at their phone, they'll just have it on their hearing aid and they'll be able just to interact with it just seamlessly. You know, that's exactly where it's headed. You know, even we even have people that, you know, we're at a technology conference saying, oh, I want one. You know, they didn't even have hearing loss. You know? They just wanted it for all the other features. So I think you're exactly right. That's where this technology is headed. Yeah.
Very good. That's exciting. So are they the same size? And,
yep.
And of course they connect to an app and
that's right.
all that. Yeah.
That's right. Yeah, and you stream your phone calls right to the hearing aids, and you know, it's beautiful. Anything that comes out of your phone actually streams to the hearing aids, whether it's an iBook or, you know, music or, you know, whatever you want to listen to. Yeah.
And, you know, the thing is with this type of technology, you know, eventually the prices come down on these and everything tapped.
There's a full line of hearing aids, I mean, that are all different price points, and we can help anybody with any budget, you know, so it's really, really nice.
Very good. Now, speaking of that, tell us about your brand promises.
You know, I thought I'd bring that up today because, you know, we talk a lot, you know, every month about, you know, what's going on in advanced ear care, and really the core, you know, for us, you know, is our brand promises, you know, and, you know, what we look at is, you know, really having a precise custom solution and for everybody. And that may seem kind of simple, but really it's complicated with individuals and their various types of hearing losses, their issues, their physical abilities to manipulate hearing aids or put them on or use them to their most effectiveness. So, you know, we really work hard at doing that. You know, we have what we call a concierge level care for people. So people notice that difference.
Yeah.
You know, and they come in, they say, you know, you guys are just different than everywhere else I go. You know, and it's the care we show, because we really do care about them, and we make them feel comfortable, and we give them the best kind of results. And of course, we always do the verified best hearing. You know, so we know we're maximizing the hearing that they have remaining and giving them the best hearing we possibly can. So those are our brand promises, and we deliver that with everybody that comes in the door. So we're excited about that. It's a new year, so you always kind of look at those type of things.
Well, I've known you for a long time, and I would say just knowing you, you're like that. That's just your personality.
Well, I appreciate that. Thanks, Ken.
Well, a record year for referrals, right?
Right. So along with that care, you know, kind of comes hand in hand. You know, our people are happy, so they go out and tell other people, their friends and family. This was a record year for us having referrals from existing patients that were happy with our hearing aids. So, you know, it just kind of verifies we're doing a great job. You know, it gives me a really good feeling to know that our patients have that kind of confidence in us, so that they can share that with other people and know when they come in, we'll treat them the same way. So it was a record year, so thanks to everybody out there who referred somebody to us, one of our patients, and just thanks for your loyalty and all of your good patronage.
All right, now let's get to the area itself. And are they finished over there at the shopping center?
They're really getting close.
Yeah.
You know, where we're at now is they just have a few of the finishing touches to put on kind of the face of it. They're doing a little bit more landscaping. A lot of businesses are moving in, doing all their build outs. So it's really getting kind of exciting, you know, to see all that.
It's taken a long time.
Yes, it has. Yes. Taken a long time. I always say, you know, they're about 10 years too late, but, you know, at least they're getting it all wrapped up, and it really does look beautiful.
Didn't I see you out there one day chipping away at the old bricks and stuff? And, you know?
Probably.
Yeah.
Trying to hurry it along.
But, yeah, it's nice. It's just about ready to be completed over there, and some new businesses will eventually
come over and see us. Yeah.
Yeah. Your sign is back up.
No, our new sign is on its way.
Okay.
So, you know, it took us some time to develop what we wanted, but we've got it all figured out, and, you know, got the permits and things like that, so it won't be too long.
Okay, well, that's good to know. Great to have you here today.
Always great to see you, Ken.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
And maybe you can, I know this is in your ear, but maybe you can bring, next time you come on, maybe bring them, we can put them out on the table. And
sure, that'd be great. Love to do it. And don't forget about our newsletter that people can get every month.
Yeah, and how do they sign up for that?
You know, just give us a call at, you know, 949 354 0079. Yeah.
Or advancedaircare.com, right?
That's right, exactly.
Okay. You take care, and we'll be back.
Thanks, Dick.